Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the space and the blazer so creases don't set. Turn the jacket inside out and fasten buttons. This protects lapels and keeps lining stable. Lay the blazer flat and smooth sleeves toward the center, aligning seams. Once done, fold each shoulder gently inward so the blazer forms a neat rectangle. Make sure you don't compress the padding. That preserves shape. This quick foundation cuts down on later ironing and prevents permanent shoulder dents. Now you fold with intention to balance protection and compactness. Take one shoulder and tuck it into the other so the jacket's contours nest. That keeps structure. Fold the bottom up toward the collar in half or thirds based on your bag's depth, ensuring the lapel lies flat. Use tissue paper between layers to cushion fabric and reduce friction. Once folded, press lightly with your hands to settle creases, but don't overcompress. Maintaining loft is how you avoid sharp fold lines. You finish by positioning the blazer where it stays safest during transit. Lay it on top of heavier clothing so it isn't crushed by shoes or toiletries. If you have a lightweight garment bag or sleeve, slip the folded blazer in. Avoid tight compression, which can create permanent creases. Once packed, secure surrounding items to prevent shifting. If wrinkles appear on arrival, hang the blazer immediately and use a short steam session or hang in a hot shower to relax fibers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.